Do you ever get tired of walking here, there, and everywhere? 'Cause we do. That's why we're introducing
the locomotive.
What is this?
With 3 easy payments of $99.99, you can own your own personal locomotive today.
But wait, what's the catch?
There is no catch. The locomotive system is a railroad transport system that can take you about anywhere.
Anywhere? Oh, what a deal.
I don't believe you.
Well, as these people.
Without the locomotive, I would be at home not knowing a thing about this country.
Without the locomotive, I wouldn't have the job I have today. But there is one catch.
Wait, but I thought you said there is no catch.
The locomotive does not come with its own rights on the railroad.
Oh, what a deal.
The purchase of a locomotive does not give you any rights on the railroad. By purchasing a locomotive, we encourage you to get or have permission to be on the railroad. Happy railing!
Seeing the bright lights, the fancy cars, cover of magazines, that's what I want. But if you can look inside my heart, then you can see I'm a little bit closer, but not so